Okay, now the Galaxy Enhance X is a very powerful application offered by Samsung, which is a one-stop AI solution for all your media enhancements. It's not just any other application, it is offered by Samsung to enhance your videos and images. And Samsung has been enhancing this application with brand new features with every new version they release. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at another brand new version of Galaxy Enhance X, which will be made available on the One UI 8.5, and currently the APK is available, and this was shared by Galaxy Techie on X. Thanks to him for sharing this. The APK download link is in the description. You can go ahead and install it on your phone. It should work on the devices running on One UI 8.0 as well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about this brand new Galaxy Enhance X application, all the changes that we have got on this app when compared to the previous version. So let's go ahead. Let me open the Galaxy Enhance X application on the One UI 8, and this is the all new version on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is currently on One UI 8.5 beta. Instantly, you can notice that the interface is now changed. It now seamlessly blends with the One UI 8.5's interface. As you can see, we have got the pill right here at the bottom with plugins, home and history tabs. Whereas on the previous version, you can see we have got an option to select the pictures or videos right from here, and we have got some banners here about what this application can do. And we also have downloadable features, which was introduced by Samsung some time ago. Using this, we can install some specific features into the application. Currently, it is only showing me Sky Guide. All this while we had Sky Guide as well as camera shift option. And now with the all new version, we also get some additional downloadable features like film style filters. It says discover the magic of these 9 new unique filters, each inspired by classic film styles to add a creation and blah blah blah, it says. So this means this new plugin will add 9 new unique filters to Galaxy Enhance X. And we also have cinematic glow option. Cinematic glow adds a gentle dreamy effect to your photos, giving them a studio style finish, which seems to be pretty interesting. And apart from that, you can see that Sky Guide and probably camera shift will also be available on this new version. So we have got 2 new options, 2 new plugins, film style filters and cinematic glow. Now let's go ahead and see how the application works. We have got plugins on the left hand side. At the center, we have got home, from where we can select the images or videos, and we have got photo and video tabs separately, and the gallery option also here. Whereas on the previous version, when you select picture or video, it will directly take you to the gallery. You will have to search for the videos or pictures that you want to edit and then just get back to the application and start editing it. Let me just go back here. Now here we have got photos. If you want to select videos separately, you can tap on videos tab and select the videos. And if you want to select images or videos from gallery, you can directly get into the gallery by tapping on that option. Now let's select a specific image. Let's see how it works. Now here, let me select a specific image, and let's also select the same image here on the previous version as well. Here it is. I'll select this image. Now when you select an image, it will straight away take you to the editing page, whereas here we have got this photo tools with that frosted glass background and in the pill shape, and we have to tap on that to get into editing, because we have got option to select multiple images here to edit them. If I want more images, I can just select it like this and start editing them together on the editing tools on the editing page. Now let me just go ahead and tap on photo tools. Here we go. We have got a slightly different interface here. We have got magic remove reflection face in a square kind of an icon, whereas here these pills are wider. It could have been pill-shaped ones, but for some reason it is more of a rectangular shaped ones here. And then we have got the rest of the tools right over here at the bottom. Now in terms of tools, nothing much has changed. We get similar suggestions, similar tools on the new version as well. But we do get this plus button here to add more images. Let me just select this image and tap on done. You can see I have got 2 images which can be edited right here. And to delete this, just press and hold on it and tap on delete. Now that's one additional option that we have. And when we tap on this 3-dot button, we can go ahead and share the image as soon as you edit them. You just take a picture on the camera, go to Galaxy Enhance X, edit it, and immediately share it right from here. That is fantastic. And here we have got downloadable features, which is not really needed because we have got that option right on the home page. So they have removed that option here. We have got share image, about this app, share this application. Now those are the 3 options that we have. Now let's go ahead and edit this image. You can see the image is in full size here. It is covering the entire screen to give us a better view when we edit it. Whereas here it is shrunken. Only a small portion of the screen real estate is covered here. This uses the entire screen real estate, which is actually pretty good. we can clearly see the details on the image. Now let me just go ahead, select this option, and maybe I'll just select HDR. Let's apply HDR effect here. Now on the previous version, you can see we will have to use this arrow, the slider, to check how it looks after editing. The edited and the original image gets displayed like this. Whereas here, we've got view original option. I'll tap on this. You can see we will be able to check the original right here. This is actually much better than the previous version, I would say. Now let's just increase the effect here. I'll increase the effect here as well. I'll tap on done, and now I'll tap on save. The image has been saved inside the gallery. Now many users say that Galaxy Enhance X is another bloatware. There is no use of it, but believe me guys, this application is really powerful. Now let me show you this particular image, the original one, and after applying the HDR effect, let's compare the images right here on the Gallery Assistant application. Now this app is officially available to download on the Galaxy Store. I made a video about this. If you don't have this app, I have left a link for the APK in the description of that video. So go ahead and check out the channel. The Gallery Assistant is now official. Now using this, I can compare two images. Let me tap on compare images. Now let's select the original image here that we edited. This is the one. Now let me go to albums and select Galaxy Enhance X and select the one that I just edited. Now this is how we compare two images on the Gallery Assistant application. It's very easy. You can select multiple images and compare it. Now you can see this is the edited image with HDR effect and this is without that. We can just zoom in and compare the images. You can see the difference right here. This is the HDR image which was enhanced on Galaxy Enhance X. You can see the detailing on the jacket here. This is darker with a lot of shadows, and here this is looking much better. You can see my hands here. This area is also darker, and look at the face here. It has really enhanced the image and made it look much better. Let me also bring it down here. You can see the glass here, the lighting here. This is much better. So that's how Galaxy Enhance X can enhance your images. That is just one example I've given it to you. There are so many other editing tools here. You'll be able to change multiple other things. You can colorize, you can brighten, you can change the effects of the image. You can do a lot of things on Galaxy Enhance X. Now let me just go back here. Let's close Gallery Assistant. Now let me also select a video file here. Let's see how that works. I'll select a video file here on the previous version, 8-second video clip, and here also I will select a similar video, 8-second video clip. It's the same exact video. You can see video tool, it says. I'll tap on this. You can add more videos to it if you want to edit it. Again, you can see this is the film strip. And if it was a vertical, if it was a portrait video, it would have been covered this entire screen probably. Since this is landscape video, it looks exactly the same. And here we have got the editing tools, single take, long exposure, and slow motion. And you can swipe towards the right to see more. For now, it is only showing these options. And on the previous version, we have got this option to highlight best moments. That option is not showing up on the newer version for the One UI 8.5 for some reason. But yeah, the interface is more or less the same here. Tapping on the three dot button will give us option to share the video, and the rest of the options are same. So this is the all new interface on the all new version of Galaxy Enhance X. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you're interested in the APK for this newer version, I will leave a link for the APK in the description. Go ahead, check it out. Do not forget to check out my previous video about the new application Gallery Assistant. That's a very interesting video. You can do a lot of things with Gallery Assistant. Go ahead and check out that video. And while you do that, be sure to subscribe to the channel and download our wallpaper application Wallverse. I've just added a brand new category called Conceptual. About 40+ wallpapers are there in this, and they all look just fantastic. Do go ahead and check them out. The link for the application is in the description. That's about it. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to know your phone better, give this video a like. I'll see you in the next one soon. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.